What's up guys, this is Mr. 801, you're watching Music with Mr. 801. Today we're going to be learning how to play our D major scale on the recorder. Alright, so that was our D major scale, but before we learn how to play it, let's go ahead and review the notes for our D major scale. Just like our C major scale, we had our musical ladder, right? This time our musical ladder starts on our low D and goes up to our upper D. Also, we have to think about sharps or flats. In our C major scale, we don't have any sharps or flats. In our D major scale, we have our F sharp and our C sharp. So in our D major scale, our first note is our D. Let's go ahead and try to review that. Our D looks like this. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. And then right hand, 1, 2, 3. Now our next note is our E, thumb, 1, 2, 3, and right hand, 1 and 2. And the next note after that is our F sharp, not a regular F, our F sharp. This is actually a little bit easier to play than our normal F, in my opinion. So our F sharp looks like thumb, 1, 2, 3, and then not our first finger, but our middle and our third finger. Our next note is our G. Our G looks like thumb, 1, 2, 3 on our left hand. Our next note is our A. A looks like thumb, 1 and 2. After that is our B, thumb, first finger on our left hand. And then we have to play our C sharp. Our C sharp is played with our first and second finger, but no thumb, no thumb. When we're playing something without our thumb, you could actually put your thumb underneath the hole to help you support the weight as well and help you balance the recorder. The note after that is our D, and our D is played simply by lifting up our first finger, again no thumb, and only our middle finger. Now that we've reviewed all our notes, we're ready to play. Let's start by playing our D major scale with half notes. Let's play our D major scale with quarter notes. With eighth notes, 2 per note. Let's play our D major scale with eighth notes, 1 per note. Now the most difficult part of that is going from your C sharp down to your B and then A. It's very easy to just skip your B accidentally and go from C sharp to dropping your thumb, which then turns into your A note. So that'll take a little bit of practice for you. As usual guys, if you're having difficulty learning how to play your D major scale, feel free to rewatch this video as many times as you need. And as always, please hit that like button below if you found this video helpful. It really helps me out a lot. And if you want to get notifications as to when I'm uploading new videos for you guys, please hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. After that is our A, thumb, 1, 2, 3, left hand. D major, take 4, or maybe 5.